I set up Wigs Medical because I knew I could provide a very personal service based on my own ongoing experience of hair loss. I started to lose my hair when I was 27 due to alopecia. I hated going and getting my wig every time. It was so upsetting. I had people fitting a wig on me who had absolutely no understanding of how I was feeling. How could they? They had a full head of hair themselves. My service to women at this incredibly vulnerable time when they are losing their hair due to cancer treatment or alopecia is so very different. It is invaluable because I understand totally how they are feeling. This is the visible sign that there is something wrong. I can see when a woman walks into my room how scared she is. Her beautiful hair is going to fall out and she is terrified of how she is going to look wearing a wig. Our hair is what makes us look good and feel great. It makes our clothes look great on us. It actually makes us feel feminine. My appointments take place in a private setting. I go through absolutely everything connected to the everyday wearing of your wig as I experience it myself. There are allowances from the HSE and from private health insurers for your hair loss, and I will advise and help with this. When I tell my clients that I wear a wig myself, their reaction is always one of utter disbelief and amazement. And then I can see them relax totally, that they know that their hair will look as real and as good as my hair looks. It is always so incredibly rewarding to see my client's face when we have chosen their style and they look in the mirror and they know that they look exactly like themselves with their new hair on. Now they know they can face their everyday activities full of confidence, and people will not know they are wearing a wig unless they choose to tell them. I actually hate using the word wig. This is my hair. It looks like my real hair, it is my real hair, and so I encourage you to call it your hair also. I look forward to meeting you and helping you to choose your new hair and rebuilding your sense of confidence.